Pretty cool, man.
The weather is very pleasant. Pleasant is everything. Everything is pleasant.
He's high. He's drunk.
Show me your pocket.
See. पगला गया क्या? Finally, those guys have reached. We are catching up with everybody. And we are set. Finally, पूरा ग्रुप हमारा अभी we've all gathered now finally. तो हम सारे बाइकर्स जो है जा रहे हैं एक साथ. ये लोग थोड़ा आगे निकल गए, मैं थोड़ा ब्लॉगिंग कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए. So very beautiful guys. बहुत सही है यार. Loving the road. Memories are memories actually, because I had shot a series a while ago over here. So I have very fond memories of this place. Crazy road, man. Very nice road. The only downside is कि traffic बहुत है यार. I don't know why. Like whenever I come here, there's just so much traffic. Like I hate it. It's a problem with like proper tourist destinations. इतना traffic होता है ना कि anyway मैं vlog करते करते मैं अकेला रह गया हूँ. बाकी सब I think आगे निकल गए हैं. So I think I need to catch up now. You guys can enjoy the scenery up ahead. पहुंच गए हैं. This is where you park the bikes basically. Private parking है because not safe outside.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? हाँ क्या?
ये पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया क्या माल. These are the shipping containers at the back, and one of them are dorms और बाकी I think private rooms है. Pretty cool, man. So guys, we're checking in right now. डॉम पे जाने वाले हैं अभी. बाकी मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो है प्राइवेट रूम में जा रहे हैं सब कपल. और हम जाने वाले हैं डॉम्स में. This is the place. We've just about got our dorm का beds here, and basically ऊपर से चल के आते हैं. And this is the fantastic view here. बहुत ही सुंदर है. And now this is basically where we're going to stay for tonight. आज का दिन यहाँ रहने वाले हैं. And we're going to check out. I'm going to show you what the hostel bed looks like now. This is where we are going to be staying. ये हमारा राइडर भाई इधर बैठा है. ऑलरेडी चेक इन कर चुका है और अभी अपना फोटोज़ भी डालेगा. नूड फोटोज़. Met one of the guys here. That's Rishabh. He's also a traveler. Nice to meet you, man. So yeah, this is it. That's my bed on top.
Because you always like it on top.
Yeah, always in control. This is where we do our thing. I've seen it. Okay, shower, bathroom. Okay, are separate. Oh, okay, cool. Not bad. I think the common area should have been outside. I have a feeling.
It is outside.
No, as in common room, as in the
washroom.
washroom should have been outside. थोड़ा अजीब है, but
You
ठीक
can
है.
drop your suggestions to us.
Yeah.
They don't care.
So yeah, this is the property. Quite nice.
Yeah. So like room के बाहर it's pretty
Yeah.
good, right? With
It's
all
actually
the
it's
plants.
actually secluded. It's actually काफ़ी सारे जो occupancy वहाँ पर ऊपर है, and this is I think I think one of the nicest spots. I think it's
Yeah.
very quiet. So yeah, that's basically where I'm going to be spending one night. कल you're going to be here only, no?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So yeah, that's what it's like. और अभी हम थोड़ा refresh करेंगे, change करेंगे, and we'll go and chill at the common room. We're gonna see what the crowd is like. I met one of my football friends on top, and gonna catch up with his friends, and yeah, have a juice or something. That's the plan. How beautiful is the view right now? Just check it out. It's so beautiful. I think Panchgani, the weather is going to get even cold. और भी ठंडा होने वाला है. फिलहाल तो हम बैठ के बात कर रहे थे, chill कर रहे थे. रात को I think there's going to be some fun activity that's going to happen. So let's see what exactly is the plan. But फिलहाल enjoying the view. Fabulous. What's this wall called, by the way? This wall of fame.
So people do creative things and they just
Post it
stick
there.
on the
Oh, nice. So basically, people come here and they live here for a while, and
yeah.
जो
There
भी
are too much creative. If you will see now, there are mandala arts is there.
हाँ.
There are some
poems है, poems है, phrases
yeah,
है.
poems there. Then there are some different kind of drawings as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
So basically, जो भी creative लोग हैं यहाँ पर आके they express themselves on this wall, and it looks fabulous. So hopefully जाने के पहले मैं भी कुछ डालूँगा यहाँ पर.
You'll have to really push yourself, not fun.
Guys, anything you want to share? You blank.
Just that's what I wanted to share. That's what I exactly wanted to share, my friend.
Old.
Old.
And it's nice.
Already?
No, it's nice.
Nice, pleasant.
Yeah, the pleasant is the word, my friend. It's very pleasant. The weather is very pleasant. Pleasant is everything. Everything is pleasant.
He's high. He's drunk.
Tell me. Like cartoon of powerful girls.
Let's all be honest. All of us have.
You have, right? You remember? Intro song. जिसमें वो बने कैसे sugar spice and everything nice. That's it. That's the Go for it.
हाँ चल देखते लेट्स सी देखते
So it's day 2 of living in Panchgani, and अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे friends एक location पे जा रहे हैं. I don't know what location, some temple actually, but I'm not going. I'm going to sit and work for a while, and I'm going to see them when they're back. कहाँ जा रहे हो by the way?
going around near this place maybe for some nice trail and click some photographs and come back.
How's it going?
So far, so good. Been a good ride so far.
How was last night?
Last night was awesome. There was this guy called Nick with us, and he really killed the party. Hands off. This guy was awesome.
I'm pretty sure you guys know who he's talking about. Yeah.
It's
You
this
guys-
guy. This guy.
That's
Just in case you missed it, it's this guy. If he's in a party, it has to be awesome.
Oh man, that's so sweet. So हम साथ में lunch करेंगे, but अभी थोड़ा मैं काम करूँगा. These guys are going, checking out, exploring the place, and they'll be back in what, an hour, 2 hours?
Calm is very important.
काम is very important. काम कभी
Formats,
हाँ.
Calm is super
Yeah.
important. Calm करके.
So काम कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा, और ये लोग काम चोरी करेंगे. So I have checked out of my dorm, and I have come back to this lovely room, small little shipping container का जो room है, मैं यहाँ पर check in कर लिया. जैसे मैंने बोला था, मैंने सिर्फ first night के लिए dorm लिया था, just to get the experience and feel. And I'm gonna tell you what I feel about it also. And this is my room. I'll just show you around. This is what it's like. Pretty chill, pretty nice. So yeah, so what was my experience like in the dorm? So what do I think about the dorm? Well, actually, to be honest, I don't know if I can speak for everyone else, but I think मुझे personally जब मैं travel करता हूँ, मैं actually एक थोड़ा background देने के लिए आपको, मैंने कभी मेरे life में hostel में या dorm sort of setup में मैं नहीं रहा हूँ. I've never stayed in a situation like that. Usually मैं हमेशा hotels book करता हूँ because, and one of the biggest reasons I do that is because I really like my privacy. I'm not the kinds to I mean, I love meeting people and socializing with them, but when it comes to staying, जब रहने की बात आती है तो I really prefer to have my own space. So and that's one of the reasons, in spite of traveling the entire world, being more in so many countries, I usually never stay in a hostel. But when I saw the photos of this place, I actually मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I thought, oh, you know, maybe I should give it a shot. And luckily I had a biker friend with me also. किरण जो मेरा friend है वो मेरे साथ था मेरे room में, and हमारे साथ एक और एक लड़का था, रिशाद, very sweet kid, and then there were 2 other girls who were staying in the dorm with us. So it was quite nice. The dormitory can hold around 6 people at one time. There are 6 beds, and it was quite nice. It was quite nice. So we checked in. I kept my stuff in the storage, जो bed के नीचे होता है, storage पे रखा. We pretty much were there. You know, we were outside all of the time. I literally सिर्फ रात को हम you know, to sleep we had gone back to a room. That's about it. To be honest, I actually liked it. It was not bad. I mean, I you know, when I think it also the kind of mentality that you know, these people have who come and stay. मुझे पहले apprehensions था because I was not sure the kind of people who will be staying with me. You know, people I don't know them. I don't know how they'll react to, you know, some other strangers. But I realized something, that जो लोग ये setup में रहने आते हैं वो already काफ़ी chill लोग होते हैं, because they expect you know, they've already done it, and they've you know, उनको पता होता है कि ये ऐसा situation होता है, shared space होता है, you have to be polite and nice and you know, kind to each other. So I actually was very surprised. People were very nice. The people staying with me, this kid Rishad staying with the 2 other girls from Hyderabad, very sweet people, and it was quite a different experience, and I actually really liked it. So इनफैक्ट मैं सोच रहा था कि आज अगर मैं ये बुकिंग नहीं किया होता मैंने प्राइवेट रूम का, तो आई थिंक मैं वहाँ पर कंटिन्यू करता द सेकंड डे. सो इन अ वे आई एक्चुअली लाइक्ड इट, एंड आई वुड रेकमेंड इट. आई वुड टोटली रेकमेंड इट इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग सोलो. एंड ऑल्दो टू बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, हॉस्टल का जो पंचगनी का जो प्राइसेस है काफ़ी ज़्यादा है कंपेयर टू दी अदर्स हॉस्टल्स आउट देयर. सो यूजुअली अगर आप एक हॉस्टल में रहते हो, you know, it can cost you around 300, 400, 500 bucks, and you know, I think some of the best ones cost you around 700 to 800 bucks. Here it is 1300 rupees. So 1300 rupees for a bed per night. So it is slightly on the expensive side, but it's worth it because you know, I think यहाँ पर India में especially you know, when they're offering you quality, you should, I don't mind paying extra because it is a place where you're sleeping. It is a place where you're spending a lot of time. So I prefer to have a place that is neat and clean, kept very well, and this place is definitely really very well maintained. The private rooms around here are like I think अभी season का time भी है, so it's a little expensive. 5,000-6,000 rupees का एक per room आता है shipping का container. It's quite nice. And बाहर कोई crane का कुछ काम चल रहा है, suddenly आवाज़ start हो गया. But anyway, my point is, let me quickly wrap it up. It is worth it. It is completely, the vibe here is fabulous. I love the common area. We had a lot of fun last night. Common area में बैठ के हम games खेल रहे थे, बात कर रहे थे, बहुत मज़ा आया. And met everybody. Like that never happens in a hotel space. You never meet anybody. I don't remember meeting anybody in a hotel when I've traveled. So the feeling of community and hanging out and meeting new people, it's really nice. So totally recommended. As hostel Panchgani is fabulous. I really liked it. Today is my last day. कल check out कर रहा हूँ. So
I'm gonna go grab some lunch now and hang out with my friends. And हम actually round पे गए थे यहाँ पर थोड़ा ये there is a point here where nice views and all that. हम गए थे वहाँ पर and it was not bad. It was not bad. I've seen better places, but yeah, I would really recommend you to come here and check this place out. I think one thing, if I'm not mistaken, is that यहाँ families allowed नहीं है. I think children are not allowed because this property is not children friendly. और आप यहाँ पर आओगे तो आप देखोगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा young crowd है. The average age of the crowd here was like I think 25. Like it's a very young crowd. I think you guys should come and check it out for sure. अभी फ़िलहाल मैं थोड़ा chill करने वाला हूँ. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I'm hungry, and I will catch you in a bit.
Randomly out of nowhere बारिश होने का ऐसा लग रहा है and होने वाला है. It's gonna be fun.
Just get this exchanged on the way back, bro.
No, I don't smoke, so I don't exchange stuff.
But this is your responsibility, no?
No, but Snehal called you and he told you specifically. No, I want to capture it on record, so I'm gonna call Snehal. I'm gonna tell him, wait. That we
Yeah. I don't have space in my pockets, bro. Honestly.
Show me your pockets.
See. See?
पगला गया क्या? रखना है इधर साइड में.
मैं प्राण प्राण वारू
Went from sad to like.
All set with the backpacks. Finally packed up. Mitali also is leaving. Supermom Mitali is also checking out of here, holding some brilliant bottles in her hand.
So this is the wine that we had, and I am into recycling and stuff like that. So I'm going to be filling this with some organic liquid for cleaning.
Married life. Hashtag married life.
All set. यहाँ से it's home sweet home, which is Mumbai.
शाबाश. हार्ली डेविडसन का अभी भी लोगो पहना है इन्होंने. बिल्कुल भी शर्म नहीं है.
बिल्कुल भी शर्म नहीं है.
BMW चला रहे हैं.
हाँ.
और फिर अभी भी हार्ली का पहन रहे हैं.
नहीं, this is in transit.
Okay.
In transit.
He's also buying a bike right now, back to Harley. So he's going to be joining us on our rides very soon. अभी भी आता है, but अभी Harley में आएगा, है ना? Correct.
Hopefully, very soon.
So awesome. We had a fantastic trip. We're packing up from here. Bikes are packed. बाहर उनकी गाड़ी है, सब पैक हो गया. Now we're leaving, and these guys are heading back to Mumbai. I might go to Pune. So
Yeah,
so
that
I guess
might is a big mighty might.
yeah.
So let's see what happens.
So I'm going to catch you guys in Mumbai then.
Sure.
All right.
See you on the ride on the 16th of December.
Yes. So that
You
was,
better make it there.
Yes, I will. So that was the trip. That was my hostel experience in Panchgani with my friends. Completely loved it. Awesome stuff. And I think we're going to come back here very soon, I guess.
Yeah,
I
hopefully
guess.
very soon.
And yeah, we met some fantastic people, made a lot of friends, and time to go back home or sulk a little bit, be sad.
Yeah, exactly.
We
Wait
go-
for kill another 30 days.
Yes. So that's about it then. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys. Bye.